Samsung will remove the covers off the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5 foldable phones in numerous territories, including India, on Wednesday, July 26. Before the debut, trusted tipster Ishan Agarwal disclosed storage variations, color possibilities, and a deadline for the availability of the next-generation foldables in the Indian market. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 will reportedly be available in 3 shades: Phantom Black, Cream, and Icy Blue, according to the tipster. It will be offered in 3 different storage capacities: 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB. The Galaxy Z Flip 5, on the other hand, will be available in graphite, cream, lavender, and mint colors. It will be available in 128GB and 256GB storage capacities. Samsung found a wonderful balance with the Galaxy Z Fold 4, and it's unlikely to change that recipe. Despite the ostensibly identical nature of the 2 camera systems, it has been rumored that at least one of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 sensors will be new. According to reports, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 will pack in another 50MP main sensor like the Fold 4 with a 12MP ultra-wide and a 10MP telephoto. With the latter positioned underneath the display, expect the same 10MP cover screen camera and 4MP internal display camera as previously. According to the source, the Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5 will also be available in Samsung exclusive hues. These shades will be available only via Samsung's online shop. According to the tipster, Samsung has not yet established the sales/delivery date for its future foldables, but it is believed to fall between August 12 and August 18, with the furthest conceivable date being August 22. The forthcoming Galaxy Unpacked event will be streamed live on YouTube by Samsung India at 4:30 p.m. local time in India. Those interested in the new foldables may reserve them by submitting 2,000 rupees through Amazon, Flipkart, Samsung India's website, Samsung exclusive stores, and retail locations. Customers who pre-order these gadgets will receive rewards worth 5,000 rupees upon purchase, according to Samsung. This pre-order deal looks to be extended to people thinking about buying the Galaxy Tab S9 series or the Galaxy Watch 6. Which one of the Samsung exclusive colors for the Galaxy Z Fold 5 or Galaxy Z Flip 5 would you choose, and why? Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.